Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disconnect headphone to our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show guys which headphone guys you have connected and guys you want to disconnect. So friends, which headphone guys you have connected with your Realme phone and guys you want to disconnect. So guys, how can you disconnect? So guys, first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect it. So we will on it. Then guys you can see this type of setting. Then guys you will have to guys click on guys your Bluetooth settings. So we will tap here. So guys, now as you can see guys, I have connected guys this Beaton BT headphone and guys I want to disconnect. So guys, how can I disconnect? At right side guys you can see this icon setting. So guys, tap here and guys now you can see disconnect and unpair option. So I will click on disconnect option. Then guys my headphone will disconnect to my phone. Then guys I cannot use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect headphone to our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching.